Alright, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Ed here. We're currently in Kansas City, Missouri for SpraySeeMO, which is a mural festival here in Kansas City, Missouri. There's a bunch of artists here from all over the world, so we're going to go check out a bunch of their walls. We are here at the wall with Lillipore and Sentrock. They're doing a collaboration piece on this wall behind me. It's huge. It's fucking hot as balls out, but they're killing it over there, so let's go check it out. We're at the wall with Matt Gondek behind us, painting a wall of Mickey Mouse. Yes. What's up, guys? Heading over to the Secret Walls event where Madman is going to be competing tonight, along with a bunch of other artists. So, where are you going? We're at the Secret Walls event. It's supposed to be outside. It's raining because of Matt Gondek, so it's going to be indoors now.
Fucking nice one.
Yeah, please want that one.
Oh shit!
Rich Gang Betty.
Oh!
Life, Secret Walls, 2019, Kansas City. We're in the building. Hey! Oh! us what happened. I'm on the cover of Graffiti Art Magazine's guide for 2019 Contemporary Art. I got that fucking cover. I just found out just right now. Just right now.
It's about to be this motherfucker's 50th birthday.
I hate you so much.
What is this, day 3?
Day 3, man.
Day 3. Let's get it. Guys, we are at the wall with Arsek and Erase. They're doing a sick mural behind us here at the Strange Days Brewing Company. They're painting a pig. Let's go check out what they're doing.
Baby mama kissed me, but she glad I'm gone. She know me and her sister had something going on. I reached my peak, I can't speak. Call my nigga cheap, tell him that my will is weak. I'm sick of niggas lying, I'm sick of bitches hawking. Matter of fact, I'm sick of talking. Sick of niggas lying, I'm sick of bitches hawking. Matter of fact, I'm sick of talking.
Going on, guys. We are at the wall with Lillipore and Sentrock again. They're finishing up the wall, putting a little bit of details. We're gonna go catch up with them. So let's go check it out. Last day here in Kansas City. We have day 4, heading out tomorrow morning. This morning we are here with JC Rivera from Chicago. He's painting a dope mural behind us. So let's go check it out. All right, we are back at the wall with Madman, watching him finish painting. Let's go.
Been a little too nice for y'all. Now I gotta up price for y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. A6 all the hay. I won't get a ball today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the bars, I'm flipping the on record, off record. I still count wins when they got it. On record, off record. I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. On record, off record. I still want the act, not the ghost. For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. That's right. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. That's right. For the record, lab on me going all the way. All the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, 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 for the record. Price for y'all, snake eyes on dice for y'all, shoulders on ice for y'all. A6 all the hay, I won't get a ball today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the bars, I'm flipping the on record, off record. I still count wins when they got it. On record, off record. I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. On record, off record. I still want the act, not the ghost. For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't tryna go, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way.
All right, we're out here in the alleyway with Lillipore, Patch Whisky, and Matt Gondek. That's a wrap. See you later.